Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about ways to make your new place feel like home. It always takes people a while to feel like home into a new place that they've moved into. Even when the moving boxes are unpacked and the fridge is stocked with food, there's still a sense of newness that precludes a sense of comfort. Sometimes this feeling persists for days or even months after you've moved in, and other times it never disappears at all. There's a big difference in living in a place that you simply rely on for provisions of necessity like a bed and a bathroom, and living in a place that you really feel at home in. This is especially true in rentals. It can be difficult to establish yourself in a place that you know that you won't be living in for more than a year or two, or somewhere that is a far cry from your own taste of style. But a sense of home is all about perception, and regardless of the surrounding factors, it is possible to cultivate true warmth and personality no matter where you're living. After moving into a new space, it's often difficult to shift your focus from the technicalities of your home to decorating and renovating your space. That being said, let's not waste any more time and directly dive into the video. So, let's get started. One of the first things that you should focus on when you move into a new space is to have a fresh spring clean. Often when we move into a new place, it can still look quite dusty and dirty, especially if not lived in. So it is always a good idea to clean the surfaces and flooring in all the rooms before the furniture and the decor goes up. By creating an inviting entrance, you are setting a tone for the rest of your house when you or your guests walk in. A simple way to make your front door more inviting is adding a mat and few potted plants. Always keep the entryway neat and tidy, and consider offering a bench where guests can take off their shoes. It's a nice and simple way to make a great first impression. Another great tip is to include a mirror in your entrance. Besides adding to the wow factor, it will create the illusion that your entrance space is a lot bigger and spacious. Make the windows your own. For many homeowners, decorating the windows of a new home is not always a high priority, but purchasing some colorful curtains or modern looking blinds can really change the look of any room. More often than not, purchased properties will always have some old or boring looking blinds or unattractive curtains. To really make a home feel like your own, these small changes can really transform any empty or dull looking house into a vibrant home. Everyone's house has a signature scent or aroma, and certain smells make us feel like home. Whether that may be the smell of fresh cotton or soothing lavender, giving your home a trademark scent can help you feel more relaxed and comfortable in your own home. When you step foot into your house after a long day of work, there is nothing better than having a familiar aroma welcoming you in. This can be achieved through scented candles, fabric sprays, or essential oils in a diffuser. Decorate your home with art and family photos. Decorating your home with photos and art that you love and cherish can remind your entire household of memorable events in your lifetime. You can hang photo frames, create a gallery wall, or place some framed photos on a mantelpiece. The best thing about buying art or printing photos for your new home is that you can be creative with it and find a style that suits you. Invest in life plants in your new home. Houseplants aren't everyone's cup of tea, but by investing in some beautiful life plants that brighten up your home, not only will you have a great circulation of oxygen as the plants breathe life and fresh air into the space, but they will also give you a rewarding sense of accomplishment as you commit to keeping them alive and healthy. Bringing plants into your home is one way of putting down roots. Make sure that you let your personality shine through your new space. Ultimately, the most important step in making a house feel like a home is making sure the furniture and decor suits your personal style. There are no concrete rules that one should follow to make their house feel more homely, as everyone has a different idea of what a home feels like. For some, it may be a fireplace and warm carpet floors. Meanwhile, for others, it may be large white spaces and lots of modern art. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.